In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off HUD in Arc Raiders. If you want clean screenshots, cinematic footage, or a more immersive experience, hiding the heads-up display is a simple and effective tweak. The HUD is all the on-screen information you normally see, like health, ammo, and objectives. Turning it off doesn't change gameplay. It just removes those visual layers so you can focus on the action and the environment. Before you switch anything off, head to a practice range. This is the best place to test because there's no pressure, no unexpected enemies, and you can clearly see the difference with and without the interface. Load into the practice area, give yourself a few moments to orient, and note what's currently on your screen so you can recognize what disappears once the HUD is disabled. When you're ready, press the F10 key on your keyboard. That single press is all you need to turn off the HUD in Arc Raiders. You should immediately notice the interface elements vanish, leaving you with a clean, unobstructed view. Move around, aim, and interact to confirm you're comfortable playing without those prompts. This is especially useful if you're recording gameplay or composing screenshots where you want the world to take center stage. A quick tip for laptop users. Some keyboards require you to hold the F10 key to access the function row. So F10, it may need Fn plus F10 depending on your hardware settings. If pressing F10 doesn't seem to do anything, check whether your keyboard's function lock is enabled, or whether another program on your system is using F10 for its own shortcuts. Once those are out of the way, the game should respond as expected. If you're playing with a controller, be aware that there isn't currently a way to turn off the HUD directly from the controller. At this time, the in-game option for hiding the interface relies on the keyboard input we just used. Keep that in mind if you prefer to stay entirely on the controller during play sessions. That's all there is to it. Start in the practice range to test comfortably, then press F10. Press F10 to turn off the HUD and enjoy a clean, cinematic view of Arc Raiders. Take a moment to make sure you like the visibility and feel without the interface before jumping back into your regular activities. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your clutter-free gameplay.